Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. We're on our way to the beach today, so that's all this video is going to be, is just a short little beach vlog. We went to this beach yesterday just to check it out, and we decided that we wanted to come here today and actually go snorkeling and stuff to see what we can find in the water.
Relax.
I'll probably mostly be playing with crabs on the beach because they're everywhere. So you're coming on beach day with us. We made it to the beach, and I'm already seeing crabs crawling everywhere. There's one at my feet right now. I'm gonna go look for some. Hey, Juice. Hi. So yesterday, I found a huge crab in this hole. This is where I tried to dig it out. Is it in there? Aw. Well, maybe it dug its way out. I just dropped my phone in the sand, and there's sand all in the cracks of my phone. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but look how blue this water is. Look at that. This little guy. Oh! That's so showy. Look at how cute it is. We're just gonna leave that one alone. I'm gonna walk around and look for some crabs and poke some holes. Look at that tiny one. Look how tiny. This is the smallest one I've ever found. When I see tiny crabs like that, it just makes me feel so bad for walking around, because I feel like I'm crushing so many crabs. If they're that little, there's no telling how many I've already stepped on. There goes Joshua. So we found this cave yesterday, and when I went up in it, there was crabs everywhere, like huge ones, like this guy. Okay, I've had enough of crab hunting. We're gonna go in the water now together. Snorkeling! Oh my gosh, I thought that was a jellyfish. Alright, so we went like back behind me, and we were going like to see how far we could go out. We saw a sea snake again.